You had questions, and we have answers to your important questions about the AquaRise piping system. Do AquaRise primers and cements expire? Yes. Never use primer and cement older than the recommended shelf life. For primer, use before the expiry date or within 3 years of the production date stamped on the bottom of the can. For cement, use before the expiry date or within 2 years of the production date stamped on the bottom of the can. Can AquaRise be used in a return air plenum? In Canada, AquaRise pipe and fittings can be used in a return air plenum since they meet the flame spread value and smoke develop value of 2550 according to CAN ULC S102.2. In the United States, AquaRise pipe and fittings meet the 2550 flame spread and smoke developed index when tested in general accordance with ASTM E84 or UL 723. Can AquaRise accommodate expansion and contraction? AquaRise can easily accommodate expansion and contraction due to changes in temperature by the use of offsets, directional changes, or expansion loops. Does AquaRise pipe require insulation? Although we recommend the use of insulation on hot water lines due to BTU loss, cold water piping insulation is optional, depending on humidity levels and water temperatures. Since AquaRise piping is an insulator of energy and not a conductor, most cold water lines don't condense. Can AquaRise be used on hot water recirculation lines? AquaRise is ideal for hot water recirc lines. Its thick wall and smooth interior can handle more than twice the velocity of metal piping systems. Does AquaRise pipe require fire stopping? There are numerous manufacturers of fire stopping products listed for use with domestic water plumbing pipes, such as AquaRise. Consult the fire stop manufacturer for product options, ratings, and installation details suited to your construction project. How do you test AquaRise after installation? Always perform a hydrostatic test. For safety reasons, do not test AquaRise with compressed air or other gases. Do not use air over water boosters. The use of compressed air or other gases could result in explosive failures, injury, or death. For more information, refer to the AquaRise Technical Manual or contact IPEX directly. Visit us at IPEX.aquarise.com.